Alright, hey clubber, let's look at Obla Di Obla Da by the Beatles. Alright, this is a great campfire classic song with it's a fun song to play, but it's got that big sing-along chorus there where it just Obla Di Obla Da, life goes on, bruh. Not a lot of lyrics there to remember, but it's guaranteed to get everybody singing along because it's such a popular song. Alright, so we're going to start off with capo on fret 3. Alright, this puts us in the same key as the original recording. We're going to use a G shape, a D shape, C, and then there's an E minor in there as well. And we'll go through each little part. Okay, now if you, I'm going to be doing it with these easy chord shapes. By all means, if you're further along, just use the open chord shapes. Or if you're further along than that, use the bar chord shapes of B flat, etc. Okay. So the strumming pattern all the way through is just down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up for every measure. All right, so nothing too serious there. Okay. So to kick off the intro, we actually start on the D chord, and we're going to do 3 beats on that. 1, 2, 3, and then we're doing a quick like 4N with the A to the D. Okay, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4N before it goes back to the G and really starts to kick in. You don't have to do the intro part if you're just playing this song around the campfire or anything like that. All right, so we got D, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that's your intro. Nothing too crazy. It's just a little bit of getting that D, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, and then so it's a couple of quick changes there. Nothing you can't handle. All right, so that's your intro. Let's look at the verse. All right, the verse starts off on a G chord, does 1 measure G before it goes to the D, does 2 measures here before going back to the G. All right, so we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, and then it does another G, 1, 2, 3, 4, C, 2, 3, 4, G, D, and a G, 2, 3, 4. All right, so that G, D there is what we call a split measure. So you change it on beats 1 for the G, 2, and then D gets another 2 for the beats of 3 and 4. All right, so let's run through that a little bit slowly. All right, you got your chart there so you can follow along. So it's G, 2, 3, 4, D, 2, 3, 4, D, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, 4, C, 2, 3, 4, G, D, G, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that's your progression. All right, and then just to add the strum to it, you read 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so that's your verse there. All right, just take all these bits slowly, no need to rush them, chunk it right down, just play them slow and do repetitions and it'll start sinking in. All right, let's move on to the chorus. So the chorus in this gets played 2 times through for a total of 1 chorus. Hopefully that makes sense. All right, so we're starting off on a G chord. We're going to do 1 full measure of that or 4 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we've got a split measure of G and E minor. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, before we come back to do another split measure of G to D. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so we've got G, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, then we're going to repeat that all again. All right, so spend as much time as you need, just doing the simple strums there. And then I'll add the strumming pattern in for the full length of the chorus here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that's your chorus. All right, so once you start getting 2 of these sections down, like your verse and your chorus, separately, go back and put them together. So you're going to play that together and start learning the song that way. All right, let's look at the bridge. All right, in the bridge, we changed to the C chord. Okay, we're going to start off on 2 measures of that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, before going back to a G. 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, 4. All right, so that's the first 4 measures, or the first line of the bridge. Then we go back to a C again, 1 for 2 measures, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, 4, D, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, no, fairly simple, this bridge part. There's no split measures in it like the other sections. All right, let's put the strumming pattern with it. So this is, in a couple of years they have built a home. That's that part. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, and that's all the sections you need to start putting this into practice so you can play this whole song from top to bottom. All right, see you next one.